Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. We're here today to show you folks the Boston Whaler 2019 320 Vantage with the horizon blue color. It's absolutely beautiful. It's powered by the twin Mercury Verados, 300 horsepower, 8-cylinder, phenomenal power for this boat. Let's hop on and see the rest. Here we are on board the 320 Vantage. Show you some of the features on it. We get the fold-down seat, which is very, very comfortable. If you're out going for a boat ride or lunch or dinner or sunset, plenty of room for adults. High back on here. And if you're going to fish, fold it up. Perfect. Storage underneath the seats. You've got the dive door here, which is fantastic. Good for fishing, good for just going to the beach and getting on and off the boat very, very safely right here. Again, very versatile seat, folds down, does all kinds of different things here. You've got an adjustable height on this very comfortable double seat here. And then you've got a nice little napping area. You kind of get, if you got to get out of the weather, you can get down there and very comfortable. So nice place to take a break. The helm, you've got the joystick. Joystick is fantastic on this boat. It'll go sideways. It'll give you an autopilot. It'll also give you a skyhook, keeping you in one spot. Plenty of room for your electronics up here. And then here's your head. Very large head area. Plenty of room down there with a skylight in it for extra daylight. And then finally up here, it's set up nice U-shaped seating. Very comfortable. You've got... you can go to the beach, you've got your windlass, and then you also have the beachboarding ladder on and off the boat from the beach. No problem. It's got the beautiful hard top. It does everything very, very well. If you'd like to see it, make an appointment to come in and give you a tour of it. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.